Hello everyone. We've been working out problems based on trigonometric ratios just to familiarize ourselves more with these trigonometric ratios. Now let us see one more problem. We have a triangle. We have a right angle triangle given to us, the triangle PQR, where the side PR or the hypotenuse is given to be 13 units and the side PQ is 12 units. This is 12 units. We've been asked to find what is tan P minus cot R. So we need tan P and cot R. Now what is tan P? Tan P with respect to angle P. This is angle P. So with respect to angle P, we'll have to find out what is tan P and the ratio, the trigonometric ratio. In order to recall, let us write this down. SOHCAHTOA. Tan stands for opposite by adjacent. So this is opposite side by adjacent side, but we should remember that this is with respect to angle P, isn't it? And minus. And what about cot R? Cot R, cotangent is just the reciprocal of tangent. So if this is opposite by adjacent, the other one would be adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite, but this is with respect to the angle at R. This angle R. The one black is angle R. So what is opposite by adjacent of angle P? The opposite side is QR. Let us talk in terms of the names, the line segments. The opposite is line segment QR and the adjacent is line segment PQ. And this is with respect to the angle at P. And now with respect to angle at R, the opposite side would be, we need adjacent side first. We don't need the opposite side because we are taking the ratio of cot R. So adjacent by opposite. So adjacent with respect to angle at R would be QR. So this is QR and the opposite is PQ. And we'll have to subtract both. So even without finding out what this of course can be easily found using the Pythagoras theorem because it's a right angle triangle. But even without doing all that, we can arrive at a conclusion that tan P minus cot R is equal to 0 because both are going to be the same. But why is this so? Is there a relation between angle P and angle R? Why is tan P equal to cot R? Let's just think about it. You think about it and maybe in our later chapters we will try to find a similarity or whatever. We do not know now. We just arrived at this. And one more problem, the second problem. Let's do 15 cot A. 15 cot A is given to be equal to 8 and we've been asked to find 1 sin A and 2 secant A. Okay, let us do it. So 15 cot A is equal to 8 means cot A is equal to 8 by 15. And what is cot A? It is adjacent by opposite. So 8 by 15 is adjacent by opposite. So in one right angle triangle, we have the adjacent side and the opposite side, the ratio of the adjacent side and the opposite side. So if we take the adjacent side to be some 8k and opposite side to be some 15k, let's find what the hypotenuse of that triangle would be. Using the Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse would be equal to square root of 8k the whole square plus 15k the whole square. So hypotenuse would be equal to 64k squared plus 225k squared, the square root of all of this. I'm just applying the Pythagoras theorem. So the sum of these two, 64 and 225 would be 289 k squared. So what is our hypotenuse? It is 17k. The square root of 289k squared is 17k. So using this, we just have to, we have all the three sides now. We have adjacent is 8k, we have opposite is 15k, and we have the hypotenuse as 17k. We just have to find sin A and secant A. So let's do it. What is sin A? Sin A, Sokhat over SOH, so opposite by hypotenuse. And what is our opposite side? 15k. Hypotenuse is 17k. So it's 15k by 17k or 15 by 17. So we have found sin A to be 15 by 17. Now what is secant A? Secant A is 1 by cos A, isn't it? Secant A. Let's do now secant A, which is 1 by cos A. Let me write it down, 1 by cos A. But what is cos A? It is adjacent by hypotenuse. So secant A would be equal to hypotenuse by the adjacent side of that triangle, isn't it? So hypotenuse is 17k and adjacent is 8k. So we get 17k by 8k, or this is equal to 17 by 8. So we have also arrived at secant A, which is equal to 17 by 8, and these are the two ratios which were asked, and we have found them. We found sin A to be equal to 15 by 17 and secant A to be equal to 17 by 8. I hope you followed the problem. Thank you.